Rightio, we have the winning recipe for the Adventure King 60 litre fridge freezer competition. It's ribs, but Mitch, what is it?
So we've got some barbecue pork ribs. They look absolutely delicious. They're sent in by Josh Morissette.
Congratulations, mate. You've won yourself a 60 litre fridge freezer from Adventure Kings. If you want to enter this competition as well and potentially win a fridge next month,
all you've got to do is send in your favourite campsite recipe to cooking@4wdrivesupacentre.com.au.
Simple.
I've already marinated our ribs with salt, pepper, and a bit of our Flaming Coals bovine espresso, brisket and steak rub. Then I've chucked them in the fridge overnight to let them marinate.
So you know what to do next, obviously. We've got to whack them in the Adventure King scamp oven.
Exactly.
All right, so I'll give you that there, mate.
Yep, and you're gonna crack that Coke open for me.
That?
Yeah.
That's going inside?
Yep, absolutely.
This better be a winner. Usually I drink it, but all right. Chuck it in. Oh, they do look good.
They do.
They do look real good. You want me to open this one up?
Yep, so open that up for us. So all 4 racks are in there now. If you want to just coat the...
You want me to just tip all,
yep,
all of
tip it all in there.
Really?
Yep, trying to avoid the ribs so you keep all that flavour on there.
I'm with you. So the Coca-Cola's in there now and we just chuck it on the fire, is that right?
Yep, so chuck it on over low heat for about 4 hours. Sit around, relax, have a couple of beers.
All right, we'll let you know how it goes, Josh.
Let's go. Righto, so the ribs have been cooking away for about 4 hours now. We've had a quick fish, sat around the campfire, had a couple of beers. What's next? We've got to chuck this barbecue hot plate on top of the fire on low heat. Then we're going to grab the ribs out and fry them up while basting them with some smoky barbecue sauce. So I can't wait.
Mate, they are looking sensational.
Yeah, mate, they look delicious.
Chuck it on here, mate. They look unreal. How good's that?
Absolute legend. You've hit the nail right on the head.
Now, don't forget, folks, Josh won himself an Adventure King 60 litre fridge freezer just by simply sending his favourite campfire recipe to cooking@4wdrivesupacentre.com.au. So send yours in, we might pick it, and if we do, you win yourself an Adventure King 60 litre fridge freezer.
How good is that?
Unreal, mate.